Hey maker friends! We've put together this free tutorial for how to add a comb to the CeeCee chick pattern from our book, Mama Made Minnie's Knotted Loveys. For this mod, you'll need some super bulky weight yarn, an 8mm hook, scissors, and a darning needle. We'll link our book with the pattern as well as all of our favorite tools below. To start, find round 6 of CeeCee Chick's head, insert your hook centered between her eyes. Next, take your yarn and create a slip stitch into her head to anchor it in place. We're now going to work 5 single crochets into the head, using each round of the head to place our single crochets. Once you've placed that last single crochet, you want to go ahead and turn your work and just make sure that the comb looks nice and centered and straight going up CeeCee's head. Now we're going to turn our work and work back down this row. So don't chain, and in the first stitch we're going to place 2 single crochets. In the next stitch we're going to place 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then repeat that again in the third stitch. It's going to be 5 more single crochets. In the next stitch, we're going to place 3 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2 single crochets in your last stitch. So 1, 2. Then we're going to go ahead and slip stitch back into the head where we started to fasten off our yarn. You can go ahead and pull your yarn tail through to finish fastening off, and it should be nice and tight and anchored with that slip stitch. Then we'll just fluff the comb a little, make sure we like how the placement is. And then if you're all good, you can take your darning needle and just tuck those ends down into the head. I like to tuck them through the stuffing to really sort of anchor them in place. And so you can get both of those tails anchored into the head. And then I take a pair of scissors to really sort of poke those ends down back into the head, and I find that helps them anchor and sort of get integrated into the stuffing and really stay in place well. Now you can give the comb a little zhuzh, give his head a squeeze to get the stuffing just right, and there you have it, CeeCee Chick with a comb. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and give us a like and a comment below and let us know what else you'd like to see. You can find this pattern along with 15 others in our book, Mama Made Minnie's Knotted Loveys, available on our website and anywhere books are sold. Happy making!